impure copper sulfate. And what we do? We will dissolve this impure copper sulfate in 30 ml water. 30 ml water. This is distilled water. I will add 30 ml, 30 or 25 to 30 ml water in this beaker and add this impure copper sulfate to it and make a solution. And we must have to stir it continuously so that it will dissolve in the water. After that, we must have added more so that we must make it somehow concentrated. Do you know what is concentrated solution? What is concentrated solution?
More solute.
Yes, more solute but less solvent. And what is dilute solution?
More solute.
And less solute. And we will add more copper sulfate so that it will become somehow concentrated. It is almost a 2-hour experiment, but half of the part I have done it, and I will show you in the video. That because it continues as to because it needs heating requires just 1 hour. And for crystallization, that is in front of you. I did an experiment in morning for you people so that I will keep it as homework so that you will only see what is going. But in this experiment, I will show you only demonstration of what we do for this experiment. Is it? Now the solution has been formed. After that, what we will do? We have to add 3 to 4 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in it. This is sulfuric acid that I have made dilute by adding some water, and this is measuring standard. I will take 2 or 3 mLs. 2 to 3 mLs. This 2 mLs. Yes, 2, 3 ml. And I will add some sulfuric acid. What is the purpose of adding sulfuric acid? Because it prevents the decomposition of crystals. We have a crystallized copper sulfate solution. If we do not add sulfuric acid and directly start heating, these copper sulfate crystals will decompose. So in order to prevent the decomposition, we have to add some sulfuric acid. And the solution becomes crystal clear. It is crystal clear. After that, we have to filter it. Why we have to filter it? Because maybe our solution contains some insoluble impurities. If there is some insoluble impurity, if we filter it, this will remain on the filter paper. I have also kept a filter paper in it. It will remain in it. The filtrate will come down in this china dish. Now after that, what we have to do? What we have to do after that? We calculate this solution on the burner so that it will become more concentrated. Concentrated means the water will evaporate and the more solute will remain in the water. After that, when it becomes concentrated, and we have to transfer it into the petri dish or wash glass, and we keep it as an undisturbed for at least 1 hour. And 1 hour after that, you will see the beautiful crystals has been appeared. I was telling you how can you determine that whether the crystallization point has takes place or not. You simply stir the solution. After stirring, you blow the air on stirring rod like this. If the crystals appear on the stirring rod, then the crystallization point has been takes place. We will blow. You will see clearly the crystals will appear on the stirring rod. You can check the crystals. The crystals has been appeared on the stirring rod. Is it? Now after that, what we will do? we will simply transfer the solution on this wash glass and keep it undisturbed. If we disturb it, no crystallization will take place. But if we keep it for cooling for at least half an hour, and you will see the beautiful crystals will be appear in the wash glass. Now you can check the crystals, how much beautiful crystals has been appeared after the cooling. When we keep this filtered and undisturbed, these crystals, the beautiful colored crystals has been appeared. These crystals are of copper sulfate.